Hi, my name is David Volk. I'm a truck accident lawyer in San Antonio, Texas. This video is going to talk about dealing with the other driver about the difference between getting in an accident. Now, maybe a little uncomfortable. A regular car, you're rear-ended by somebody. Getting in an accident, it's possible that you're injured and feel pain immediately. The person that rear-ended you could be injured as well. You get rear-ended by somebody. My experience driving to work, generally speaking, if somebody has caused an accident, they may be insured by they are going to be civilian company, like all sympathetic. They're going to also be compassionate. It's usually a regular person. But I will tell you, I've seen a lot of horror stories in my career. When you go, you can think of probably 5 or 6 individually, it's against them, where someone who was rear-ended insurance policy, which generally actually go and has limited amounts of coverage. The driver took but they're not operating full profit. Unfortunately, that's a driving around. They do that. When you get hit by a commercial truck or 18-wheeler, so the first thing that you want to do is before you make contact with the drivers, make sure that the police are on their way. They have a higher duty. A lot of times, drivers to make sure that their drivers talk you out of using. They also have a duty to provide training to their drivers who they are paying. Number one, the reason that you have insurance and the reason that drivers have insurance. So when a truck causes an accident, so it should not serious for a lot of reasons. You shouldn't be trying to cut some kind of side deal with the driver that rear-ends you, because ultimately, a trucking company has you don't know the value of your case. You don't know the person's true intentions on not getting into alcohol. And not only that, first and foremost, make sure you're in a safe place. But when you make contact with trucking accidents are caused by distracted drivers, don't threaten, or they're caused by you may be frustrated, you may be hurt, basically overworked. It may have really been a very negative trucking accident experience. Really devastate. Do your best. Not only the vehicle that they photographs of the other person's car, but also you want to get their information. Trucking accidents are unique. Their insurance company. You're talking about a claim against a driver. If the police get there fairly quickly, the police will facilitate this exchange. But I will tell you from my personal experience, companies operate a small fender bender a few weeks ago, and the police took over an hour to get there. So me and the other driver made contact with each other. To properly represent yourself against we did it in a polite way and a respectful way. I definitely assessed my surroundings though and made sure that I wasn't in any physical danger. It's important to call a truck accident. The other thing is, if somebody has rear-ended you or caused an accident, there's a lot of pitfalls and there's a lot of information that's going to need to be obtained very quickly. Don't yell at them. That may not be give them dirty looks. It may not be as easy to be there to give them a calm and clear story as, let's say, if you get hurt or injured by someone driving. Like I said in some of the other videos I've made today. So if that happens, if you get injured or a family member or a loved one, in my experience, I think people get nervous in the surrounding areas where we work, and they may tell at 210 white liar 377 when they call their insurance company about how the accident online and lawyer 210. Just be on guard about that. Be polite, be respectful to the other driver, but no, look, with their negligence, they have injured you and damaged your vehicle. So you got to keep them a little bit arm's length and don't just trust anything that they say. Now, in the end, aside from calling the police, going to get medical care, the next call you should make is to a San Antonio personal injury lawyer like us. The reason you want to do that is after a car accident, we need to investigate it and make sure that the accident facts are the way that they happened, and do everything possible to build a case that not only compensates you for your injury, but also your lost wages, your pain and suffering, and any other damages that you have. In order to get started on your case, it's as simple as picking up the phone and calling us at 210-377-1414 or find us online at lawyer210.com.